Hey friends, so I'm giving you essential reads for the summer. This is a short story collection by my friend in my head and hopefully my real life friend, Annell López. I'll give you a reason. It's a short story collection. You will enjoy it. Enjoy it. I love short story collections because you can start from the first page and then go in the middle and you can move all about, and also you can finish this book in the summer and feel accomplished. I'm gonna read you an opening line from the story The World as We Know It. The first night Joy and I heard the thud, we didn't know what to make of it. We were lying in bed, and Joy was applying the anti-wrinkle cream she bought after one of her students told her white people age faster, while I scrolled through Reddit posts about Trump building a wall. I really like it. Enjoy your summer reads, friends.